I'm back down at the property. I am in the camper right now, as you can see, and I'm gonna do some cleaning up around here again. You may recall that I have, well, let's see, I have this right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's not showing me the image. Anyway, I've got all of this. I'm going to clean this up and sweep this out, and that way I've got a place to put some tools and stuff so that I can work in here, because I have significant work to do up here. Replacing some of this stuff and putting some new plywood in and getting it squared away. So we'll see how that goes. Be back in a minute. And we'll go up on the roof. I got screws and stuff to take care of up there. All right. Take these off. Okay, that's gonna be fun. Really fun. That's what's in there. I don't have to take all of it off. I guess I could just take this one out to loosen this up, and I can reach that from here. Ready. Whew. And now this can dry up a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna need to keep those on just to give me something to work with. All right, now I gotta get down. Lots to clean up, lots to fix up. Gotta clean all that before I can put the new one down. Yuck. All right, let's get down and get at it. All right, let's see what we have there. And we got get this out. Here. It's not over here. I don't want to run the power saw because I don't want to damage the roof anywhere. The fiberglass. I think I need to come around now. Down. All right. Yeesh. Yes, this is good and wet. You gotta get it down. All right. Clean that out in any case. That's just a real nasty mess. Okay. I'm going to put up my first piece. The support for plywood. And maybe even to support some of the rest of this stuff. I may rework it. Alright. Here's the piece. It's going to go right up along that back edge. And let's see how it goes. It's in there. Right to this old one. Begin. All right, and then the plywood that I bought for this will fit right up and slide right into there. I'll slide it back as far as I can, but it's going to hold pretty good. Then I got to cut out this section here and see what it goes. I'm going to find screws, I think. One more. Right in the middle here. Okay. That's that. Think it through a piece at a time. It's kind of tough. Well, I'm back with the first piece. It's going to go right up here. Let's see how this works. And then we'll get up top and I will see what I can do to mark so I can cut it the piece out. Straight across. Alright, I'm going to go up on the roof and mark it on the outside. So, be right back. So that is cut. Now, great. Good fit. Cut too much. Interesting. That's alright. That's alright. Fix that. There we go. Alright, that's hold it. I'm going to take a break and have some water. I think that's a good idea. I'm going to show you the progress. I've actually done pretty well, I think. I think it's as strong or stronger than it might have otherwise been. There's the hole. You can see it right there. I've got new roofing in, a new ceiling, new bracing. I'm going to give you a little close-up shot of that. All right. So we got some sunshine. So I've got some ceilings going there. It's not perfect, but all I got to do is just waterproof this thing, well, so to speak. And that's where the new vent is going to go in. I got to see if it's going to fit properly. Could drop it on and take a look, and still don't like that right there. It's still bad. I'm not sure what to do with that, but we'll figure something out yet, and we'll drop it in, see what it looks like. I'll be back and show you. All right, got it put in, and there it is. This is properly placed because it opens up in the back. But my wiring is over here, so I'm going to have to work that out. This has got to hook in, and so does this wire. I'll have to hook into that, so I'm going to have to see about how I'm going to run things. Can't get back far enough, but there it is. I think that's pretty cool. Let me put that up a little bit. Let some light in. Too much. I like the tinted look. All right, so I'm going to pull that down because I've really got to clean the roof up good before I put that in, and then I've got to put screws in. I'm going to need to bring it down just to count how many screws I've got to buy, and then I've got to sort out the size, although I think I have samples from the other, so we'll see what that does. But time to pick up for the night, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. I've got some other things I can do here, and I've got materials to do it with, so I'm going to bring some things in and take some things out and get ready to go to the neighbors for the evening. And we'll see you tomorrow.